What's the difference between at 3 p.m., around 3 p.m., and about 3 p.m.? When should you be vague instead of precise about time? Does around mean exactly the same as about? In this chapter, we'll master around, the preposition used for approximate and flexible time. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've learned precise time expressions like at and by. Today we'll learn around, which does the opposite. It makes time flexible and approximate. Around is essential for casual, natural English conversation. Around means approximately or roughly at a certain time. It is not exact, but close. Think of it as a fuzzy zone around a specific time. Around 3 p.m. might mean 2:50, 3 o'clock, or 3:10. Somewhere near that time, but not precisely on the dot. For example, I'll arrive around 5 p.m. This means approximately 5 o'clock, maybe a little earlier or a little later. You are not committing to exactly 5 o'clock. Around keeps the timing relaxed. Here is the key difference between precision and approximation. At 3 p.m. means exactly 3 o'clock, very precise timing. Around 3 p.m. means approximately 3 o'clock with flexibility. At demands punctuality. Around gives breathing room. Around and about are extremely similar and often interchangeable. I'll call around 7. I'll call about 7. Both mean roughly the same thing. Around sometimes sounds slightly more conversational, while about can feel slightly more neutral. Around is perfect for casual social plans. Let's meet for coffee around 2 p.m. Dinner will be ready around 6:30. I'll pick you up around noon. Social situations usually don't require strict precision. It also works well for estimates and predictions. The package should arrive around 3 p.m. The repair will take around 2 hours. We'll finish around midnight. When exact timing is uncertain, around is practical. A common mistake is saying around at 5 p.m. Never combine around with at. At means exact and around means approximate. So say either around 5 p.m. or at 5 p.m., but never both together. Here's an easy memory trick. Think of arrows landing around a target. They're close to the center, but not exactly on it. Around 3 p.m. means aiming near 3 o'clock without needing perfect precision. Now, let's look at some examples. Let's have our team meeting around 10 a.m. This creates flexible timing without pressure. Your bedtime is around 8:30. This means roughly 8:30, maybe a little earlier or later. The movie starts around 7 p.m. This helps friends coordinate without strict precision. My flight lands around 9 p.m. Flights can arrive early or late, so this sets realistic expectations. Your table should be ready around 6:15. Restaurants often give approximate times rather than exact ones. I usually wake up around 9 a.m. on weekends. Some days it might be 8:45, other days 9:15. The doctor will call with results around 2 p.m. This allows flexibility for delays. We'll finish the renovation around mid-June. Construction timelines often change. I usually take my break around 1 p.m. This describes a general routine rather than an exact time. The party starts around 7:30. Guests can arrive a little early or a little late without worry. Let's recap the key ideas. First, around means approximate or flexible time. Second, it is the opposite of at, which means exact time. Third, around and about are almost identical. Choose between them based on context. Use at for formal appointments, schedules, and deadlines. Use around for casual plans estimates, and flexible situations. Usually, around 3 p.m. means about 15 minutes before or after that time. But the exact flexibility depends on the situation. Social plans allow more flexibility than professional schedules. Excellent work. You now understand around a simple but powerful way to express approximate time in natural English conversation. In the next chapter, we'll learn about another preposition used for approximate time. Keep practicing and continue mastering English.